I nullified all these things. And the method which I use to decide for myself is very simple. Is simplest of all. Whenever I get to choose from two things, for example, I need to choose what I want to eat. Right? My tribe, assalamu alaikum. I'm Zaira. I'm a certified image consultant and I help working women to get the abundance of health, wealth and success and love in their life. आज का जो मैंने टॉपिक चूज़ किया है दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ आई थिंक माई होल चैनल. इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू हाउ यू कैन do decision making in your life, whether it's about choosing an outfit for you, or maybe it's about eating something, or it's about choosing your friends, or it may be anything. So if you want to learn my tactics related to how I decide over things, keep on watching this video till end and share with me your experiences as well. I have tried many different ways for improving my decision making skills, both in my personal life and in my workplace as well. Once I tried that logical reasoning is a very good way to decide things, because I used to keep on asking my seniors how they decide their things. So somebody told me about some workshops that are very helpful to learn the decision making process is a complete whole process, and things like that. You need to calculate over different things, or you can weigh pros and cons, and you should look into both options, and then you have to pick and choose. Or maybe somebody told me that you should try anything, and then if it is wrong, then you can try another thing, and making mistakes is a part of life. But I nullified all these things, and the method which I use to decide for myself is very simple, is simplest of all, and it has its roots in the ancient human history, and I'm sure you will agree with me. So I think the most crucial part is that you are supposed to have a very strong relationship with your inner self. When we talk about decision making or choosing something, or seeing if something is beneficial for you in future or not, because any one of us, we are incapable of looking into our future. We only have our past memories which we can use for deciding, or maybe getting a precedence for about our behaviors or our patterns, which can help us in deciding things. But let's just keep all these things at aside and just think about your own relationship with your own self. And for this, you need to cut off yourself from this world and worldly chores and people around that. The moment you learn how you can cut off from all these things, then you will be getting the right answers from within yourself, within your pure own self. And pure own self means that as long as you are not distracted, as long as you are eating pure, as long as you have a healthy lifestyle, it's very much easier for you to decide over things, right? So what I really do is, whenever I get to choose from two things, for example, I need to choose what I want to eat, and I have two options or maybe three options. What I'll do is I'll visualize three things one by one, and whichever option I feel is closer to my heart, or maybe I have butterflies in my stomach for, I will choose that. And that has never been wrong. My gut has never been wrong in deciding things. This is, I think, one of the biggest secret of my life, because I have taken very bold decisions in my life. For example, I left my jobs, I switched my careers, I decided things for my family and my children. I take care of my health, and I have been through health problems as well. But it's a matter of a few minutes. The moment you will decide, the things will go in your favor, right? This is the only way that you should, I would recommend you to try to start deciding your own things. Stop asking other people for advices or something like that. Yes, these things are also important, their experiences are important, but what is important for you, you only know. No one else knows about that, and nobody else can tell you about that, but you yourself can tell yourself about that, right? I hope this has been a useful tactic. The more you will practice this tactic, the more you will get easier with this. So start practicing it today and share your results with me as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very good day. We will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.